This is the last part, the fourth part of a recollection of my visit to the Living Legends of Auto Racing in South Daytona. This is a typical open wheel type race car, and you would see this fairly often, an effort by maybe a local garage and driver to do well on the track. Notice it's a Ford Flathead 8. Pretty cool looking car. Notice the exhaust manifolds and runners. Kind of a bumper arrangement around the grille there. Certainly minimal weight. There you can see the sponsor, Pop's Garage. So you might spot this at the local track on a Saturday night. And following it is another car. It's a closed car. It's a recreation of a race car that Don Moore drove. It's a replica of a '54 Ford. And this one was driven in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Notice the bracing. It was built by Don and his son a few years back. Don Moore has since passed on. This is a neat remembrance of the days when cars like this were on the track. And you notice pins in the hood there to get the hood up quickly. And of course, these cars had sponsors to help defray the cost of modifying them. There's a typical uniform there. Now, of course, it's all been standardized. Back in the day, you could tell a race car's make by looking at it. Today, it's pretty difficult. That outfit evidently belonged to Frank Mundy's team. A lot of neat exhibits in this place. Admission is free. And it's neat that it's in the Daytona Beach area.